I'm Zach. I'm the Tuesday night host here at Chainsaw. Toonie Tuesdays. We got beer, shots, wings, burgers, hot dogs. I'm missing something, fries. All of those for $2.
How are you doing?
I'm awesome, thank you.
You look beautiful, so I thought I'd say hi.
Thank you so much.
How's your Tuesday been?
Pretty wonderful, actually.
That's good to hear. Are you taking advantage of the cheap drinks and
$2 beers for sure, right?
Chainsaw is the best bar I've ever been to. I love the patio. I love the karaoke.
So you're here for one day and you came to Chainsaw?
Yeah, well, I did my undergrad and master's here, and I'm doing my PhD in Montreal, and this place is pretty fun, so,
Okay. That's awesome to hear. How are you enjoying the night then?
well, it's always a good time at Chainsaw.
I knew this place back before they claimed they were going to destroy it. And
Really?
then it opened as Chainsaw again.
It used to be the Silver Spur.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that.
I like it though. I hope they don't destroy it. That would be good.
He's enjoying all of Brazil, the World Cup. It's a sad moment for him because he expected the entire life to receive the World Cup in Brazil, but when it happens, he's away. He's far away from home, so it's just, that's sad. Because he's not playing well, but we are trying to distract him and say, Brazil, we won the World Cup.
Oh, hi, Chainsaw. You have provided me with so many good times.
Thank you so much.
That sounded so nerdy, actually. No, Chainsaw's awesome. I have so much fun